We'll guide you through how to make screen pixel effect in DaVinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the application on your computer. Once the program has finished loading, click New Project to create a fresh workspace for your editing session. After the project opens, go directly to the Edit page, where you will prepare your timeline and apply the effect. Import the video you want to edit into the media pool by dragging the file into the panel or using the import option. Once the video has been added successfully, drag it from the media pool onto the timeline to begin editing. Next, open the effects panel and locate the adjustment clip. Drag the adjustment clip onto a track above your video clip, so the effect can be applied without modifying the original footage. After placing the adjustment clip, select it and switch to the Fusion page to begin creating the pixel effect. Inside the Fusion workspace, add a mosaic blur node and connect it correctly within the node structure. This node is responsible for generating the pixelated appearance. After adding the node, open its settings in the inspector. Choose the pixel shape that best matches the style you want to create. Different pixel shapes can produce unique visual results, so take a moment to experiment until you find the one you prefer. Next, adjust the pixel frequency setting to control the size of the pixel blocks. After that, modify the aliasing setting to refine the appearance of the edges and improve the overall quality of the pixel effect. If you want to customize the placement of the effect, open the Advanced Control section and adjust the position until it appears exactly where you need it. Continue making small adjustments while checking the results to ensure everything looks smooth and natural. Once you are satisfied with the overall appearance, preview the video from beginning to end. Finally, switch to the Deliver page. Choose your preferred export settings.